helicopter for the lady. So the double hand hold bring the lady into a collar right position, collar up, rock step to rock step, 1, 2, roll the lady off the arm, continuing around 3, 4. Take the hands all the back, lady just ducks under, 5, 6. Pick up the speed and finish with the rebel turn. Okay, we'll just do that again nice and slow. It's double hand hold, left hand over the head, in the cowl, rolling off to the right as the lady rolls around, take the hand to the small lady, ducks under, pick up the free hand to the top and finish with the rebel turn. Okay, good time, it should look something like this. A rock step, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, rock step, every turn of the light.